right. Like a big kid, day or night. When you feel the tingle or you need to go, run to the potty, don't be slow. Potty time is awesome, yay, hooray. We use the toilet every day. Sit and smile, take your time. Flush and wash, you're doing fine. Pull down your pants, sit down slow. Take a deep breath, let it flow. When you're done, you wipe just right. Front to back, keep it light. Potty time is awesome, yay, hooray. We use the toilet every day. Stand up proud, give a cheer. You're a potty star, my dear. Now flush it down, say goodbye. Wash your hands and let them dry. Soap and water, scrub around. Clean and happy, safe and sound. If you're not there yet, every try is a big step. Mommy, daddy, teachers too, they all believe in you. Potty time is awesome, yes it is. You're growing strong, you're a big kid whiz. Diamond Kids is proud of you for every potty thing you do. Wash, smile, hooray. Potty stars are here to stay.